This site right here will pay you hundreds of dollars again and again in passive income. This requires no skills or hard work from your side, and it does work in most countries around the globe. You also want to keep watching until the end because I have a big bonus to help you make even more money. Just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos that are to come. With that said, let's jump straight into this strategy now. This strategy revolves around this website here called vidiq.com. This you might have heard about either from some of my previous videos or otherwise, but for those of you who don't know what this is, as is said right over here, this helps you boost your YouTube views, and this is one of the most popular tools used for that purpose because it's so effective. Now with that said, this isn't a place to buy YouTube views. vidIQ instead helps you get more views by adding the right tags to the videos you upload, for example, and many other methods. All the views generated with this are 100% real. With that said, we won't be creating any videos, so don't worry. I'm not going to tell you to pay vidIQ to get views or whatever. We will instead want to promote this as an affiliate. And I have a new and recently released tool to help you get traffic to that link so you can make a lot of money passively. So please, stay tuned and keep watching so you don't miss out on it. In any case, what you need to do on here is scroll down till you reach the very bottom of the page, and there you will need to click on Affiliates, which is located right here. Now, on the next page, we can see the commissions, and vidIQ is special since it has these levels, so to speak. Associate, Influencer, and Ambassador are the only ones visible, but as you will soon see, there's actually a fourth level. Anyhow, when you are at the first level, you will receive 15% commissions. On the second level, you will receive 20%, and on the third, you receive 25%. What influences the level you are is how many people you have referred to vidIQ. If you have referred between 1 and 10, it's 15% commissions, and if you refer more than 50 people, it's 25%. Now, thanks to the tool I will show you later on, you will easily be able to reach that last level and earn literally 50% commissions from each and every person you refer to here, and I will show you that very soon. Anyhow, to sign up to vidIQ's affiliate program, you just need to click right here, and then on the next page, they'll ask you to log in, and since you don't have an account, you want to click on Sign Up here. From there, all you need to do is enter in your email address and password in order to create your brand new account. Once you log in, they will ask you to create your own custom referral link. This is mine, as you can see. Now, on the dashboard, you will be presented with a bunch of info on how much money you've made, how many clicks you've gotten thus far, and much more. Now, remember the fourth level I mentioned before? Well, here it is. As you can see, you will earn 50% commissions if you get over 300 people to pay vidIQ, and that is just insane. vidIQ has one of the highest paying affiliate programs out there, and this is, after all, why we want to promote this website in the first place. Anyhow, now that you have your account, just before I show you where and how to get people to click on your link, I want to show you how much money you will be making per sign-up. Now, as you can see, vidIQ has these three paid plans, which cost $7.50, $40, and $415 a month, respectively, with the most popular one, Boost, costing $40 a month. Now, just think about this. Since you can get up to 50% commissions, and most people go for this Boost plan, that means if you refer just 100 people, and let's say for simplicity's sake they all go for this plan, that means you would make $2,000 just like that in passive income. So, as you can see, this does have big potential, and the fact that vidIQ increases views also means that people will tend to stick around if it works out for them, and if someone you referred here keeps paying them for a few months, that means you could potentially be making money from that same customer for months afterwards, which in turn means you don't need too many signups to earn a lot of money. With all of that said, guys, now that you have your account and you have a rough idea of how much money you'll be making and how all this works, let me show you two methods with which you can get customers. The first one is through the use of YouTube itself. What you will need to do is search for stuff like how to get views on YouTube, something along those lines. And you will now want to open up some of those videos. And here's why YouTube is a good traffic source for us. Every single person who commented on these videos is a potential customer, because why else would they watch a video to grow on YouTube if they don't want to start a YouTube channel of their own? This means there's a great chance that some of these people in the comments will be interested in vidIQ. Now, what you will want to do first is click on Sort By and then select Newest first, because you don't want to contact people who have left a comment too long ago. What you will now want to do, simply put, is contact all of these people that you can find. In order to do that, you want to first click on their username to open up their channel. For example, here's one channel I found myself. This person does have some videos, which means he will get some value out of vidIQ and might be interested in trying it out. And so to contact this person, all I need to do is go over to the About section here, then scroll down and click on View Email Address located right over here. Then I will contact them via their email and go over all vidIQ's features and leave my affiliate link in that email. You can say stuff like, "This is a fantastic tool to grow your YouTube channel. It's used by thousands upon thousands of people all around the world, and I highly recommend you check it out if you want to grow your channel and get real views." Just say something along those lines to try and convince them to at least give vidIQ a try. Now, something of note is that not everyone will have an email address visible where you can contact them, and so that's a bit of a flaw with this method, but you can nevertheless still reach many people, as there are literally hundreds of new comments being posted daily on just a couple of these videos. With that said though, YouTube is not the only way to get traffic. The second method, in my opinion, is far more effective, and it involves this tool here, which I mentioned way back in the beginning, that will literally do everything for you. This is a brand new tool I've literally never talked about before, the link of which I've left in the description box below, and it literally costs under $20 as of now. Now, with that said, even though it's a paid tool, it has a year-long money-back guarantee, and they will pay you $150 if it doesn't work out for you. So while you have to pay for it, you do have some guarantees that your hard-earned money isn't being spent for no reason. Now, as you can see just above, this will get you buyer traffic in 27 seconds. And by the way, something I really love about this tool is that it will get your affiliate link, any affiliate link that is, in front of people who do have money to spend and who might actually buy whatever it is you're promoting. And that is a really great feature that makes this an awesome way to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, with that said, guys, I won't go too much into depth with this tool, since everything you need to know is on this sales page, and I don't want to prolong this video too much. As I said before, if you want to check it out, and I would very much recommend it, click on that first link in the description box below. If you, however, happen to not have any money to spend, then you can definitely use the first method to get traffic and still get paid nevertheless. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.